Have you ever had a photo of someone but no idea who they are or how to contact them? Maybe it's an old friend, a person you met at an event, or even someone from social media. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step process to find someone with just a picture. We'll use Google, Facebook, Instagram, and other online tools to search by face or photo. By the end, you'll know multiple ways to find a person by photo on the internet, ethically and safely. The easiest method is Google reverse image search. Go to images.google.com. Click the little camera icon in the search bar. Upload the picture of the person's face. Google will scan the internet for similar images. This is perfect if that photo has appeared on websites, blogs, or public profiles. You might even discover where the picture was originally posted, helping you trace the person's identity. Sometimes Google misses things. That's where Yandex image search comes in. It's a Russian search engine with powerful facial recognition. Go to yandex.com/images, upload the same photo. It'll often find lookalike matches that Google cannot. This can be especially useful if the person has images online in different sizes, crops, and backgrounds. Next, let's talk about Facebook. While Facebook removed its old face recognition search, you can still use some tricks. Try uploading the photo to Facebook groups dedicated to helping people identify lost friends or old connections. Use keywords along with the image. For example, the place or event where the photo was taken. If the person is tagged in public posts, Facebook search may still reveal matches. But if you want to find someone's Instagram with only a picture, here are two tricks. First is Google search plus Instagram filter. Upload the image to Google and in the search bar, add site:instagram.com. If that photo exists on Instagram, it may show up. Also, third-party tools like Pimeyes or social search engines can sometimes locate Instagram profiles linked to the image. This works best if the person uses the same picture on Instagram as they do elsewhere online. Now, before you run off searching, remember, always respect privacy. Use these tools only for legitimate purposes, reconnecting with a friend or verifying an online profile. Do not use reverse image searches for stalking, harassment, or anything illegal. The goal is to use technology responsibly. Now you know exactly how to find someone with just a picture, whether it's through Google, Facebook, Instagram, or the broader internet. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you want me to cover how to trace fake accounts or catfish profiles in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.